Hey, welcome to In the Den with Dr. Jenn, a relaxing and open-minded place to explore sexuality in a holistic manner and start thinking about female sexuality outside the box. Massage. There's nothing like a good massage to relax you, release stress, open up blocked energy, and to just feel nurtured. I had one this past week and it was fabulous. But why is massage and touch such a vital component of human interaction? Well, we have a guest here today, Brenda Goodell, who's going to discuss just this with us. Brenda is a holistic health practitioner, specializing in holistic and massage treatments. Her background reflects a personal interest in subtle and energetic healing modalities, including Bach flower essences, Reiki, and polarity. Brenda blends Western medical massages with acupressure of Chinese meridian points to balance the body. And she's a nationally certified instructor as an infant massage instructor. Welcome. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So, why do you think touch is such an important part of human interactions?
Well, there's data, scientific studies that support. We know that infants thrive when they're touched, and they decline when they're not. So yeah, I mean, you know, if preemies are massaged, oftentimes their birth weight might double in a shorter amount of time. It also speeds the myelination of the nerve sheaths, and the first in the brain, the first cells, you know, when the sperm and the egg come together, the first real cells that start to be formed are neuroepithelial cells, our skin cells. So that alone should tell you how important, skin touch is to us. So I think it's important. I see it in my job. It just doesn't stop when you're a kid. You know, oh, you're grown up. You don't need to be touched. It's like we all need it on an ongoing basis, and it will help your immune system, and it just helps you relax and feel loved. So I think it's important. Name a reason, and it is.
Well, that's awesome, because I think sometimes people think massage, oh, it's like a luxury, oh, it's like, it's expensive, and it feels good in the moment. But so you're saying that there's a lot of neurological, physiological impacts on us also.
Absolutely. There's hormones that are produced and released that they, within an infant, within a mother, and also within us, just those feel good hormonal exchanges in our body when we get a massage. So no, I just want to emphasize that you should just either, get a massage buddy if you can't afford it, or also take some time to massage yourself, because it really doesn't cost anything. There's no reason why you couldn't make a massage night for yourself right before you go to bed, laying in bed, and have like a massage ritual for yourself.
Well, okay, and that leads into my next question about what do you think specifically for women is valuable for them to learn about their bodies that you've learned through your practice, and specifically around self-massage then?
Sure. Well, when you get a massage, you go within. And that's so important, because a lot of times we're just out. We're on the cell, we're driving around, we're with our friends, we have this exterior personality that we're all very familiar with, and we kind of feel like, ah. So when women or men, whatever, get a massage, you typically can go within and connect with your essence. Not only that, but then there's a tactile information that's coming to you. Oh, these are the borders of my body. Oh, I feel soreness. I feel pleasure. I feel, this is where my leg ends. Sometimes we're just like disembodied heads. Right. So women learn, oftentimes we have, bad ideas of, oh, I don't look good, or I should be this, and you put yourself through it, and you get a massage, and you're like, no, yeah, I can feel where my body ends and begins. And it's really good for teenage girls, and that's why I like to have families that, start massaging each other, and have that touch all throughout their life, because you just learn a lot about yourself and about your body and what you like and dislike. A lot of times I'll hear men say like, oh, I just don't know what my wife wants. She changes what she likes, or whatever. So maybe this is a good place to like check in and really notice when you get a massage, what are you feeling? Not just like, oh, I just, I'm just going to bliss out and it's a spa thing. It's like you can use massages so much more of a self-informing tool.
Yeah. Okay. And so specifically around self-massage, is this some stuff that we could use? What do you have here?
You can totally use this. Okay. So in the realm of self-massage, and in the realm of partner massage, I suppose, this is something that I found that I really like. It's called Frangipani, and it's really just a coconut with this really great Hawaiian or Tahitian flower. I'll smell it. Yeah, it's awesome. They sell it at Nordstrom's. It's like $50 or something. But yeah, really, $50. But you can put it in your hair. Oh. You can sleep with it overnight. So it's beautiful, sensual smell. It's fantastic.
Nice.
It's good for you, and it's really nurturing, and it smells fantastic. So put that in your hair, or just kind of use it on your body. I love this line. They're biodynamic. They have flower essences in them. They're just olive oil that's been set out in the sun with blooms of specific plants, and then with some aromatherapy added, all organic. And this one's mugwort. So that's really good, not if you're pregnant, but if you're not, it's very good. I would, massage your stomach area. I would do that every night before I went to bed. For a lot of women, stomach, like, oh, I don't know, my abs aren't, whatever. But you have to love it. You have to love what maybe you don't like, and then when you massage it, it really gives it that attention. So, and then this one I really like because it's dandelion, and it's a very good spring oil. It quickens the system. It's good for digestion. If you feel a little sluggish coming out of winter, the dandelion is really good to put on. Yeah. So again, you're massaging yourself, so you can see you're learning about yourself. You're also massaging your stomach, which is good for your digestion. In Chinese medicine, they say that the stomach is a seat of all 300 diseases or something.
Oh wow.
So, yeah. So you really want to. It's good. And then you put this on, and then the stuff from the dandelions going in, so you can kind of like multitask. We all like to multitask, right? So, with your pleasure, multitask. And then also I like this oil. It's called Benediction, and it's just so special. It's got rose oil and some jasmine, and again with the very nutritive olive oil. So it's super good. Whoops.
And I also see some chocolate.
I do.
There.
I see some chocolate. Okay, so that, we're talking about sensual massage.
Yeah.
So I really think that, sensual doesn't necessarily mean sexual at all, And so senses. So with the chocolate, what I would do if I was massaging my partner or vice versa, maybe a little blindfold comes into play, because that has a lot of trust, and it's very, nice to just feel or not, and maybe while the eyes are closed, just a little this on the tongue, and the massage going, see?
It was a little spicy.
Yeah, it's Aztec.
Nice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So I like that, and some spice.
Excellent. Okay, and this got a little kick to it. So, and our final question, which is our randomly generated Gorilla Soapbox question, is, if sex were a type of tea, what would be your favorite flavor?
Oh, I know. My favorite tea, wow, this is cool, in the world is called Lover Girl, and it actually exists. Yes, it's called Lover Girl. Oh, vanilla and violet, and just who knows? I think there's sex magic in it, and you can get it at Extraordinary Desserts. Yeah.
Nice.
Lover Girl. Yeah, that's what I would do.
Brenda's a lot of fun, yes? Go to www.bgoodell.com to learn more about the work that Brenda does as a massage therapist, in energy medicine, and as an infant massage instructor. Sexual fun fact number 567. According to Brenda Goodell, what are the 3 most sensual parts of the female body to massage that are otherwise considered non-sexual body parts?
They are the back of the knees, the side of the body, right here along the ribs, and the instep of your arch.
Ooh. Nice. Thank you for sharing.